Hi everyone, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to refurbish this piece of wood that I found in our storeroom and turn it into a home sweet home sign. So let's go and start our project. So what we need is this paint, white paint. It's a chalk paint actually. I just added a bit of water and then actually, before you start painting this, I have to clean it first. Wipe it very well and remove all the dust since this one's been in my storeroom for quite some time. And now I'm painting it. I used 2 coats of paint. Okay, I know it's a bit boring to show you, but I just gonna show you the whole process. I will try to make it as quick as I could. I'm just trying to show you the whole process of me painting this piece of wood. Okay, I'm not really a professional in doing this DIYs. This is, like if I can do it, so can everyone. I don't want to waste things if I can make things out of it. So I did this project, or I made this channel mainly because I want to share with you guys on how to refurbish or how to turn trash into a treasure. So it's almost done, the painting. As you can see, I dried it out first and then I have to repaint again for the second coat. Okay, I'm getting there. That's almost done, as you can see. All right, that's it. And now I have to do this hand, how do you call it? Writing? I'm not really good in doing the glittering. I made the hand free using a pencil first just to make a line. Okay, I mean my glittering is not really that good, guys. I just try to experiment things. Okay, and I mean, this is the good thing about doing your DIY, try and error. And if it works, I mean, it's good. It makes me feel good, and it is always been my accomplishment is that matters to me. It doesn't need to be perfect when you do things. I mean, if you want to make it perfect, then that's fine, but this is the whole point of doing DIY is try and error. So as you can see me doing things, I always start from the scratch, and if it works, it's good. If not, and I like to show you the whole thing is because when you make mistakes, or I make my mistake, at least we have some lesson to learn, and that's the whole point why I'm trying to show you the whole process of me doing this home sweet home sign. And maybe if you want to do it, maybe you can do it better by watching me, right? I'm not really good with doing the lettering. I messed it up actually, as you can see. So in doing so, I don't know what to do with this because it's really obvious, right? So I would do something else later on. You will see after I've finished doing the whole lettering, how I'm gonna make that up, because it's very obvious if you can see, and if you put that as your sign and put it onto the wall, it looks so horrible. Right? So we have to do something with this. I messed it up, the letter E. The reason why I messed that up is because it's not straight. Actually, there's a bit of lump in that side. Therefore, when I tried to put a straight line, it didn't work. There's a little bit of lump. That's the reason why I have to put another line, which is become so heavy and is not align with those other letters. Therefore, I need to do something else to make it not so horrible. After this, after I finish all this doing the line with my lettering. As you can see, I'm not really good at it. I just put like some straight line, which is not even straight line because I didn't use any ruler, as you can see. And it's kind of awkward because I have to do it in front of the camera, so you know. But then again, this, like what I said, this is the good thing about doing your DIY. Is try and error, and if it works, then yay, you know, it's an accomplishment. And if it doesn't work, you know, I mean, you can always repaint it with the white color. But I can't be bothered, so I would like to do something else, and I would like to show you guys what I did with this thing to cover up what so it doesn't look so obvious. So instead of just leaving it like that, I have to block the whole letters to cover that up to make it all even, as you can see what I'm doing now. You see, I just show you a bit of it, and then you know, the rest is you should you know, envisage it. I just want to show you the, you know, how I did to cover up my mess. You know, I mean, like what I said, you can always repaint the whole thing, but I can't be bothered, like what I said, because I already did my outlining with my letters. Okay, so therefore I just try to find something. I don't know, I mean, for me it works, though it's not really perfect, it's not look so good, but you know, at least it works in my opinion. Like what I said, this is just like listen learn. So you know, next time we do things, maybe we can make it better, and we can find something that we could do to improve. Next time I might do something else, you know, when I try to do my sign, especially into the wood. It's not actually, it's not as simple as what I thought, but it worked. I mean, if I have to do it again, maybe I'm going to print it in the computer first and then make some lining, you know. I don't know how they call that, but next time I should do that. I might make another DIY with the signboard or something like this. I will make another one later on. Maybe I could make it better or worse and see how it goes next time, because I have another a few pieces of wood, and I would like to make another sign for that later on. It is a bit time consuming to block all these letters, but then again, I just want to make it even for the rest of the letters, instead of that one E with the very thick line on it, and it's very obvious. At least this one, they are all gonna be equal after I finish doing the whole project. I'm almost done, as you can see. It's a bit time consuming, but if we do some project, that's the way it is. But you know, if you enjoy what you do, then it's good. Like I enjoy doing these things actually. It's like I'm just you know, playing like when I'm young and doing some coloring, and that's the reason why it's quite fun to do this. though it's not really beautiful, but like what I said, it's an experiment, and I always wanted to make some sign, you know. It's almost done, as you can see. There you goes, and this the final letter. And there you goes, it's almost there. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoy. And there you go, that's the outcome of my work. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.